are here to talk about literally a trip around the world,
yes,
right?
Literally.
You see
the design.
trip around the world.
Right.
You see the blues, the pinks, the yellows, and
Well, the fun thing about the jelly roll is, you're going to take these out. You're going to open it up and
Put that right over there. Yeah.
Put it in color order. So you need 5 different color sections. So this one I would probably pick black. You could do it like dark, medium, light, light, and then really light. However it works to go with your colors. But so I've got them in the colorways. There's my dark. That's number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So you have to have 5 sections.
Okay.
Do not forget to mark these because you will get confused if you're doing that. So because some of those are kind of close.
I think number 1 rule, mark them.
Yes, absolutely mark them.
Okay.
So let's get those out of the way. And so I've pulled out, so say for example, we've pulled out 5 strips already, and you're gonna sew 5 strips together. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, okay? So I can always remember that the darkest one is my number 1. It is the one that's going to show up the most.
Okay.
So if you look at the blue up there, blue is the number 1.
Okay, so you're telling us whichever color we want to show up the most is going to be the very left.
I would start that with number 1.
Okay.
So depending on where you place it, again, it's going to change the design. So, but what we're going to do here is you've sewn 5 together, but we're going to sew 1 more together.
Okay.
We're going to sew
in a tube?
Yeah, we're going to make a tube.
Okay.
So I'm going to have Kris sew number 5 to number 1. So this is 5, this is 1. So if you'll just do a 1/4 inch stitch down that.
Sure.
And then we're going to move on from there, and it's going to be, you'll see the magic.
Well, I can see how
really
you would
is
really want to make sure that you mark them of what numbers they are.
That's so confusing.
That is so important.
Okay, here's my tube. One thing I want to point out as well, one of my little tips is that when you've got your jelly rolls, you are going to cut them in half. Instead of the full 40 inches or 42 inches that it's going to be, you're going to cut them into sections of 21, 22, whatever your jelly roll is.
Okay.
The easiest way to do this is to start with this edge up here, make it lay down as flat as you can. You kind of have to just smash it.
Okay.
And then
But Suzanne, take a look right under here.
It's
that's
kind of-
okay? You're telling us that's okay.
If it's folded,
Okay.
It's folded.
because you really can't do anything other than that.
Okay.
So you can see this one is actually folded right there.
Okay.
Smash it down a little bit. Keep it as straight as you can because you might get a little wonky in there. And then you're going to take...
That's a lot of pressure.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah. I love using the stripology
Yes.
ruler
Yes.
because it helps hold everything down.
Which is
true.
so nice.
And then just cut us some 2.5 inch strips on there.
Okay. And then, I
All
got to
the
go
way up.
all the way up. And
then
then
a 5.
5.
I can count by 2.5.
I know.
You should be able to get 8 of these out of each strip that you did. You're going to have a big pile of these. So sew all your strip sets together. There should be 16 strip sets.
Okay.
So now we've got this fun little trick that we're going to use, and we're going to
my
use
goodness.
our
I love this.
seam ripper.
This is so fun.
I can
Okay,
see
this
where
is
it's
great.
coming. This is awesome.
And you're going to take a little space here, lay it all out. So I have gone ahead and taken the first one between strip number 1, which is my dark one,
Okay.
and strip number 5, which is the yellow one on this. So you would open it right there. So, Jackie,
you would just...
you can go ahead and do that.
This is when it's really cool to be
Let me show you the
right?
fast way.
Okay.
I'm going to show you.
Do.
This is your way.
Yeah, yep.
Oh, you just rip it.
You just, well, I got to open up a little bit here,
And you use the little ball.
and then you just
Yeah.
go. So this makes
Put the
it
ball down and then-
worthwhile. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 right there.
Okay.
Okay.
That is great.
So then the next one you're going to open it at between 5 and 4, or maybe 1 and 2. Sorry,
1 and 2.
I got backward.
Okay, so if this
Right.
was,
So it would be
this one is 1 on this particular one. This is 1,
nope,
right?
that's number 4. This is 5. This is 1.
This is 1 on here because it's different.
Yes.
Okay, so the first one we did between these two. Now you're going to do it between...
You're going to do it between 1 and 2.
Okay,
So 2 will
perfect.
be your top one. So I've opened it. As you can see, here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5, 1.
Okay,
And then-
I will
perfect.
say this is the reason why we're not cutting squares per
Yeah.
se, like each
Right,
individual
'cause
square.
This is fast.
This is the way that we cut strips, sew strips, cut strips, and then it just starts to create.
That's
it's
right.
almost like a Bargello too,
Yes.
right?
Very true. That's
Okay.
very true.
Okay, this is fascinating.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. Chris, you're going to sew these together.
Okay.
You can press these, like, you can press them this way or that way, whichever way you want to go. But this is how you're going to press the rest of the time.
Am
So-
I going to press first, or can I?
Nope, you
can
don't
I
get
go-
to press yet.
I do this
yeah,
as
you
I
just
go.
do that. I know, it feels like it's totally against the grain of what you normally
You know,
do.
I think
Exactly.
it's okay because actually I
Everything
enjoy.
locks.
Yeah, I
Me
like
too.
how everything locks out.
I think
right
it nests better
Yeah.
that way.
So just as I go down, I'm going to lock this, correct?
Yep, lock them all as you go. And they
Okay.
should match really well because everything is 2.5 inches.
Basically, you're telling this strip that you're in charge.
Exactly, exactly.
Like that seam, you are going to go where I want it to go.
Look how perfect that
That-
matches.
That's great.
Oh, that's steamy today.
That
huh?
is.
So then you would do the same thing with the next set
Uh-huh.
and continue on that way. That will bring you to this part right here.
Ah, look
so you
at
can't really
this.
see it perfectly with this one yet.
I can
but
see
you
it starting to
get
form.
the beginning of it.
Yes.
So
you
we've got-
absolutely can.
Yeah, so this one is this is the actual strip set. But when you sew that together, you're going to do all of them this same way. You know, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 5, 4, 3, 2. Wait, is it 4, 3, 2, 1, 5 again, or
Sure.
1? You know, just in
Yeah.
order like that.
Yeah.
Sure.
So much easier after I memorized what color was what.
Yes.
So.
I love that.
Yeah.